Oh, the river keeps on rolling past the town where I was born. I've been rambling this country, singing my song. Lord, I ain't done nothing wrong. I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away in the morning when I die. Oh, the river keeps on rolling past the town where I was born.
Welcome to Hick Talk, where we take regular words and make them even better. Today's edition is on clothing. Your duds, your suit of clothes. A frock, a flirty frock. Breeches or pants, short breeches or short pants. Overhauls. Y'all, I just found $20. Polka dots. Toboggan, I'll fight you on that. Jury or jewelry. Rope stompers. Clodhoppers. Also clodhoppers. Mind your business. Pocketbook. Long handles or long-handled underwear. House shoes or bedroom shoes. I personally call them bedroom shoes, but not slippers. A house coat. Sunday go-to-meeting clothes, complete with sweater, because according to my ex's granny, it's a sin to have exposed arms in the house of the Lord. Them's my specs, and there's some that just wouldn't be proper to show you, like a brassiere, or step-ins, or drawers, or drawers, or bloomers. This last one I don't have any to demonstrate, but imagine this as a man's boot in brown or black and without that chunky heel. They're called turd catchers. The end.